Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question from the chapter Force, Work and Energy based on the concept conservation of energy. Now let's go through the question and try to understand what is given in the question. A spring is kept compressed by a small trolley of mass 0.5 kg. So mass of trolley is 0.5 kg. Lying on a smooth horizontal surface as shown in adjacent given figure, when the trolley is released, it is found to move at a speed 2 meter per second. So velocity is 2 meter per second. This is like final situation. Situation given in the figure is final. Now what we need to find out, what potential energy did the spring possess when compressed. Let's try to understand what is the initial situation. Spring is compressed, so it will be having potential energy, and trolley is at rest, right, initially. So its initial velocity u is equal to 0. Now from these two situations, where this is initial situation and this is our final situation, you can clearly see that this entire potential energy is getting converted into kinetic energy here. Here we have only potential energy, and here since there is no compression in the spring, we will be having only kinetic energy by virtue of its velocity. So this entire potential energy is getting converted into kinetic energy in the given situation. So how can we calculate potential energy of spring when it is compressed? So potential energy of spring when it is compressed will be equal to kinetic energy final, which is possessed by trolley. So how can we calculate kinetic energy of trolley in the final situation? By using half into mass of trolley into velocity of trolley square. So this will be equal to half into mass of trolley is 0.5 kg into velocity of trolley is 2 square. So this will be equal to 1 joule. So potential energy possessed by spring will be equal to 1 joule. Let's try to see whatever we have done once again. What we have done, we have taken final situation and then initial situation. Whatever energies are involved here, only potential energy. What all energies are involved here, only kinetic energy. So all this potential energy is getting converted into kinetic energy. So that's why we will equate potential energy is equal to kinetic energy, which is same as half into mass of trolley into velocity of trolley square. If you try to solve, you will get 1 joule, which is same as potential energy possessed by the spring when it is compressed.